Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to install Citymapper app. Citymapper is a popular and free journey planning application that helps the user navigate urban transportation. So if you want to install this application, first of all launch open Play Store or App Store on your device. Since I'm using the Android device, I've opened the Play Store. Once you open the Play Store, what you have to do is tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Citymapper. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Citymapper and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find the option for install. Simply tap on it. Now wait for a while. While this application is being installed, you can simply scroll down and find out more about this application. You'll be able to see the reviews, stories, data safety, etc. You'll also be able to see the comments over here. You can read these while your application is being installed. Now after a while you can see over here your application will be installed. You can simply open it and use it. So that is how you install Citymapper app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.